Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get layered armor in Monster Hunter World. Layered armor lets you change your appearance without affecting your stats. Most layered armor are unlocked by completing timed events and challenges, seasonal events, beating arch-tempered versions of monsters, and purchasing add-on contents. For this example, let's unlock my favorite layered armor, the Wiggler Head. Head to the quest board and complete the event quest Wiggle Me This. Next, complete the event quest King's Know No Fear. Completing both quests rewards you with crafting materials to unlock the Wiggler Head. And that's how to get layered armor in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.